the sun hit me.
Do you even know how important the sun is?
Doesn't it just shower on the earth?
Yes, but it does even more than that. It helps with photosynthesis.
What is photosynthesis?
Photosynthesis is the process when plants use the sun to obtain food.
What kind of food?
Photosynthesis uses the carbon dioxide, the air we breathe out, and water to produce oxygen, the air we breathe in, and glucose, which are sugars. So the food plants get are sugars.
Like the sugar in my cookie?
Exactly like that. Now let's see how plants create. You might be surprised to find out that some of your favorite characters know about photosynthesis.
I know! We can act like plants! Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
Want to go to the park?
PG-13.
Okay, we have to get this in the ground.
But where? There's no dirt anywhere.
Ooh! No, Grammy.
Okay.
See, what'd I tell you? Easy, huh?
Hey, they broke O'Hare's head!
What do you think you're doing, kid?
I'm looking for a place to plant a tree. A real one.
Why would we need a tree?
Exactly!
Oh, man.
Folks, the last thing you want around here is trees. They're filthy! Spewing that sticky, nasty sap all over the place. They bring poisonous ants and stinging bees.
Hey!
Ouch. Think about the kids. And, I just thought of, they make leaves. You know that, right? And these leaves, they just fall. They just fall wherever they want.
Oh, come on, we know why you're really against trees. Because they produce fresh air.
For free.
I am wounded! You have lied!
It is not a lie. It's called photosynthesis.
Come on, she's making that up! That's a made-up word!
Okay. Now let's see how plants create oxygen. For this experiment, you'll need scissors, a leaf, some water, and a clear glass. So first, we will need to fill the glass with water. And then you'll want to cut a little bit of the stem of the leaf and place it in the water. In a couple hours, we'll come back to check on it. Oh, and don't forget to place it in sunlight. Come closer. As you can see, the leaf has created oxygen by building bubbles on the leaf. All around, there are bubbles, which is 21% of the air we breathe.
So this oxygen made by plants is the same one we inhale?
Yes, plants are essential for living and for the environment. Photosynthesis is the single most important chemical process on Earth. All plants need the sun to live.
So how does chemical change happen in photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide and water use sunlight to make a chemical change by producing a different substance, which is glucose and oxygen. Want to see an example of chemical change?
Sure, why not?
Okay, let's go.
Don't we need parental supervision for this?
No, we're grown, but at home, you need parental supervision. So this is a plain piece of paper and a lighter. Guess why? Because it's raining. This is an example of chemical change. It's turned to ashes and evaporating.
So overall, the sun is going to produce heat, light, and helping my pictures, but it contributes to photosynthesis,
which is the way plants get food by using sunlight as light energy. And it produces a different substance, which is chemical change. Tune back to the scientific adventures of Ruth and Jaden next year.
This video is sponsored
If you want to know how a plant grows, it takes water, air and sunlight and makes cellulose. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Unlike me and you, plants need CO2, and they make oxygen that stops us turning blue. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. A plant of any size can do it if it tries, but we're not green so we can't photosynthesize. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. It's a miracle how all the chlorophyll captures sunlight in the leaves of the plants and the trees. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Every plant can do this fundamental process, and we can call this photosynthesis. Photosynthesis.
All your measurements, shut the shit down on sight.
Little by little and evaporating.
Oh, that motherfucker. Oh. What the heck is? You might be surprised to find out that some of the bigger characters know. You might be surprised to.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come closer. As you can see, the experiment did not work. Stop it. Hey. Is the sun hitting me? My highlight is popping. Okay, now let's start taking a leaf out and see what happens. The bubbles on the leaf has disappeared. Fly away! Wait. The video is over! No, we're gone.
It don't make no sense. Dripping in finesse. You know, dripping in finesse with my baby. Oh, dripping in finesse. You know, girl, you know we got it going on.
Y'all is wild.
I can't even see.